Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do our anchor chart for today. If you look at Wednesday, you should be doing how to solve the perimeter anchor chart, so you're going to watch this video. Alright, so you should have a worksheet that looks like this. Let me zoom in. Okay, there we go, that's a little better. No, I don't want to move it. Undo. Okay, I'm going to try to kind of demonstrate for you guys how to use Google Slides. Okay, right now you have a paper copy, so I'm going to have you do the paper copy. But when we get done with this unit, you don't have any more paper copies. So then I will post everything like you're seeing it on my screen, and you're going to have to learn how to use the computer to provide your answers. So hopefully after watching me, you'll kind of figure it out. So this is a Google slide. I have taken kind of a picture of the worksheet that you have, and I've put in some text boxes. So we're trying to discuss perimeter. What is it? So the first thing we need is the definition. The measurement blank, the blank of an object. Okay, so the measurement around, so I'm going to click on the text box. I'm going to write around. Now, to make it a little bit easier for me to grade, I'm going to have you highlight it, come up here to the text color and change it to red. Okay, so perimeter is a measurement around the outside of an object. Again, highlight it, change the color to red. Good to go. If I accidentally move the text box, oops, just click it, move it back. Okay, good to go. All right, I'll give you a little bit of time to fill in your worksheet. Can't wait to see you guys all on Zoom today. Check in. All right, now we're going to go down. Okay, so it says types of models. We have a shape model, a grid model. Okay, and then we're going to practice the skill. It's a little bit hard to do everything for this one on here, so I'm going to go ahead. I have one already actually filled in, so we're going to look at this one. Okay, so the types of models, the shape model. So if this side is 8 feet, it's parallel with this side. Okay, so that means these lines are exactly the same. So if this one is 8 feet long, this one is 8 feet long. Okay, they're mirrored, they're parallel. If this side is 2 feet and this one is parallel to it and measures the same, it's also 2 feet. So perimeter is when we measure around the outside. So I'm going to have to add up all 4 sides to find the perimeter. So what they're demonstrating to you is a friend of 10, 8 and 2 adds up to 10. So they added these 2 sides, and then they did the same with these 2 sides. 8 plus 2 is 10. And then over here they did the problem, the 10 should be up here for some reason, but it should say 10 plus 10, so that's adding these 2 sides plus these 2 sides, equals 20. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 20 feet. Make sure you label your answers. Okay? For a grid model, okay, so they've drawn the boxes. You're going to count around the outside. Okay, they call these little lines tick marks. Okay, this is easy to do with a pencil, not so easy to do with a computer. If you had to do it with a computer, you'd come up here, select a line, and then you would draw it. Okay, I tried to do this on a previous video, and it took me forever. So sometimes we might have to alter our assignments just a little bit to make them a little bit more technology friendly. So here you would count start here. Maybe mark that, like, so you know where you started and you don't forget and end up going all the way around 2 times. Okay, so if you count all these little tick marks all the way around, then you get back up to here. You don't count it twice. Okay, this is the one where we started. You should have gotten 24 feet for the perimeter. Okay, then down below, you're going to practice the skill and you're going to try to figure out, I'm going to try not to show you the answer. Okay, find the perimeter of the figures below. So if this is 5 feet, they don't tell you the other ones, but you should be able to see they're all equal. Okay, the square is the same on all sides. Okay, so all of them should be 5. If I add up all 4 sides, what do we get? And then here, you're going to count your tick marks. Draw them, count them, go all the way around the shape. Okay? All right, that is all you're doing for math today. You don't need to submit this. This is just for you to have, because for our assignment tomorrow, you're going to need to remember how to do this. So this is your reminder, and this is for you to look back on. So you don't want to lose this. Glue it into your math journal, or just keep it in your math journal or a folder, okay? Because you need this, because you're going to use this tomorrow for your assignment, and then we're going to have a quiz in a few more days, probably next week, and you're going to model for me that you understand what perimeter is. Okay? All right, that's all for today. Thanks. See you guys later for our Zoom meeting. Bye.